we can also calculate the I and the N, okay? And here, unfortunately, we cannot use the table method. We can only use the equations, okay? So to find out the I, this is the equation to use. It's a little bit complicated. Let's use that for this example very quickly. So the average price of gasoline in 2005 was 2.31 per gallon. In 1993, look at this, that's the earlier times, and 2005 is the later time, okay? So you have two time spots. And so which means the value of the gasoline in the later time is gonna be your F. And then the price for the year 1993 is gonna be your P. And what was the average annual interest rate? So I is something unknown in the price of gasoline over this 12-year period. So N is 12. Okay, so this problem want to find out the I, which can make the present value of the gasoline in 1993 equals to the future value of the gasoline in 2005 during this 12 years. So you know you're gonna use this equation, right? And your N is 12, your F is 2.31, your P is 1.07. What is the I? So I is, you can substitute the letters with the given value. It's 2.31 over 1.07 to the power of negative 12. Well, it's not negative 12, it's 1/12. That's the root, okay? Minus 1. And if you calculate this, the answer is 0.0662. So if you write it as a percentage, it will be 6.62%. That's your interest rate. Okay, so just use the equation, and the key is to find out these values correctly. All right, so the last calculation is to find out the N when given P, F, and I. So here we use this equation. N equals to log F over P over log 1 plus I. Okay, a little bit complicated. And let's apply this for this example, okay? So the average price of gasoline was given as 3.31 in 2005. We computed the average annual rate. So we don't know if it's a P or F right now. Okay. So we need to decide it later. We computed the average annual rate of increase in the price of gasoline to be 6.62%. So that's your I. If we assume that the price of gasoline will continue to inflate at this rate, how long will it be before we are paying $5 per gallon? Okay, so continue to inflate, which means this $5 per gallon will be your future value. Okay, so that makes us to think this 2.31 will be the present value. Okay. So now the way you do this problem is you use the equation. So but before that you need to find out the values of these letters, right? So F is $5, P is 2.31, excuse me, and I is 6.62%. Now we can substitute the letters with these values. So log F5 over P is 2.31. Let me erase this. Okay, over log 1 plus 6.62%. So if you calculate this, that will give you 12. Okay, so after 12 years, the price could be 5. Wait a second. We need to calculate it. Okay, so first we need to calculate the log. Log 5 over 2.3, that is 0.34, and then we calculate log 1 plus 0.0662, that is 0.03. Okay, so now 0.34 over 0.03 is 11.33. So your N is 11.33 years, which is almost 12 years. Okay.